If your Aroma 360 scent diffuser has stopped pushing out fragrance or just feels completely unresponsive, it's usually not a serious failure. It's something small disrupting the system. These diffusers depend on tight internal connections, airflow, and correct settings to operate smoothly. The moment one of those elements is off even slightly, the whole unit can seem like it's dead. You might hear nothing, smell nothing, and assume it's broken. But in reality, most of these issues come down to setup, blockage, or power inconsistencies. The goal here is not guessing, it's checking the right things in the right order so you don't waste time. Let's go straight into the exact fixes that bring it back. Try these. 1. Check power first. Make sure the unit is firmly connected and turned on. 2. Restart the diffuser by unplugging and reconnecting after a short pause. 3. Remove the fragrance bottle and reinstall it tightly into place. 4. Inspect the mist outlet and clear any oil buildup or blockage. 5. Increase the scent output setting from low to a higher level. 6. Run the diffuser and confirm fragrance starts releasing again.